Hey there, welcome in to my channel. I'm Ronnie, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get started wholesaling in 30 days. So let's get started. Okay, so before we get started with how to get into wholesaling, let me explain a little bit about myself so you understand why I am qualified to teach you this. I am a real estate broker in the state of Florida. I am a wholesaler and I have been doing this for over 20 years. I've closed thousands of deals, helped countless number of homeowners who were in distressed situations just walk away from properties that were dragging them down and causing them all kinds of stress, which is pretty much the name of the game here. You want to help people. The more people you help, the more money you'll make. So my first month doing this, I made over 10 grand. And coming from a doctor's office, I was a manager for a surgeon's office, working 60 hours and more every week, stressed out to the max, didn't have any time for myself, to helping people and being able to do what I wanted to do when I wanted to do it. My schedule was my own, night and day difference. And anybody can do this. And I've created a series of videos for you. And in these videos, tripping over my words, sorry. In these videos, I'm going to take you day by day through 30 days with simple steps to do every single day to get you started, okay? I don't charge for these classes. I do coaching, but I'm not charging for this challenge. So if you want to get started and you want to learn wholesaling, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, and hop on over to the Facebook group. And the Facebook group is where I hold the challenge. So once you've subscribed, make sure you subscribe and jump on over there. It's going to ask you a couple questions, answer the questions, and then you're in. There are several different dates, so just pick the date that you would like to get started, and I'll see you over there, and let's make a ton of money. Let's get you started so your time can be your own, and you can start living an amazing life. I'll see you over there. Bye.